Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are gonna prepare perfect thick and spicy homemade Schezwan sauce in a very simple way without adding any preservatives in it. So let's start. Firstly, I have taken dry red chilli which I have been soaked in water for 2 hours. And now transfer it to a blender. And grind it to a smooth paste. And next, in a pan I have taken 1 cup of oil and same 1 cup of finely chopped garlic and half cup of ginger finely chopped. Cook this both for 1 to 2 minutes until the rawness goes. And now add finely chopped celery stems and cook until it becomes a slightly golden brown color. Now it's cooked, we'll add red chilli paste. Give it a mix. Add some salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Mix it well. One cup of water. Now close the lid and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes until the oil gets separated. After 20 minutes the oil got separated. Now our perfectly cooked Schezwan sauce is ready. You can store the sauce in your fridge for more than 2 to 3 months and 20 to 30 days without the fridge also. Perfect color, consistency and thickness of the Schezwan sauce, homemade. Do you like the recipe? Then give it a like and subscribe for G Home Cooks for many more videos. Thank you.